हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज फिजिक्स का फर्स्ट लेक्चर हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं 11th स्टैंडर्ड का एनसीईआरटी का। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, व्हाट इज फिजिक्स? फिजिक्स मीन्स इट कम्स फ्रॉम द ग्रीक लैंग्वेज। ये ग्रीक लैंग्वेज का वर्ड है, उसका मीनिंग होता है नेचर। फिजिक्स मीन्स नेचर। नेचर के बारे में आप सभी को पता होगा। सो व्हाट वी हैव टू स्टडी इन फिजिक्स? So there are so many types of branches available in physics like kinematics, dynamics, mechanics, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, waves, oscillations। ये सभी पार्ट आपको 11th में लर्न करने हैं। टोटली 11th is based on this much portion of physics and 12th स्टैंडर्ड में आप पढ़ोगे इसके हायर लेवल स्टडीज लाइक इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म, उसमें आएगा इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स एंड मैग्नेटिज्म, देन आफ्टर ऑप्टिक्स, देन आफ्टर मॉडर्न फिजिक्स। 12th स्टैंडर्ड का फिजिक्स का कोर्स 3 पोर्शन और 3 ब्रांचेस में डिवाइड है। वो 3 मैं रिपीट करता हूँ। इलेक्ट्रो डायनेमिक्स, सेकेंड वन इज ऑप्टिक्स, लाइट के रिलेटेड जो साइंस है वो आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा, वो आप ऑलरेडी 10th में लर्न कर चुके हो। देन आफ्टर मॉडर्न फिजिक्स, दैट मीन्स in 19th century whatever the physics is developed, that you have to study in that portion. So basically 3 portion or 3 branches of physics is studied in 12th standard. So right now we are focusing the class 11th chapter number 2, that is very important, very useful for basic point of view as well as exam point of view. So let's start the chapter number 2 of class 11th. The title is unit and measurement. The title is unit and measurements. Before going to start this chapter, we recall one famous quotation given by one person, and that one is, physics is a king of science while mathematics is a queen. This is very famous quotation for this subject physics. So what is the importance of physics? From this statement you easily understand that physics is a king of science while mathematics is a queen. Now as we focus on the title, that is unit and measurement. So what do you mean by unit? What do you mean by unit? For example, this is my chalk holder, and what is the weight of what is the mass of this chalk holder? So one can give the answer 0.1 kg. So what is the kg? That kilogram is a unit of mass. Similar way, the length of given wire is 1 meter. So what is that meter? That meter is a unit of length. So similar way, unit is defined in such a way that the standard measure of any quantity. If we say 1 kg means how much gram? So that 1 kg is 1000 gram. If we say 1 meter equal to how much centimeter? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So ये value fix है. That means a standard measure of any quantity is known as unit. उसके बाद हम सेकेंड डेफिनेशन गौर करते हैं, फिजिकल क्वांटिटी। ये वर्ड आपको पता चला, ये फिजिक्स का रिलेटेड है और उसके एसोसिएटेड जो फिजिकल क्वांटिटी होगी उसकी डेफिनेशन ऐसी होगी, एनी क्वांटिटी विच कैन बी मेजर्ड लाइक मास, लेंथ, टाइम, डेंसिटी, वॉल्यूम, स्पीड, एक्सेलरेशन, फोर्स, मोमेंटम एक्सेट्रा। ये सारी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी आप स्टैंडर्ड 9th में पढ़ चुके हो, और वही फिजिकल क्वांटिटी आपको 11th में यूजफुल है। सो आप पक्का अपना 9th स्टैंडर्ड रिवाइज कर लो। यदि आपका 9th स्टैंडर्ड वीक है तो ये चैनल पे बने रहिए, सभी वीडियोस हम अपलोड करने वाले हैं रिगार्डिंग 11th and 12th. So what are the examples? Already we have discussed length, mass, time, volume and speed etc. So many physical quantities available in nature. So this is some of them. Now what are the types of this physical quantity? So basically 2 types: fundamental quantity, this is very important, and second one is derived quantity. So what is the meaning of these 2 terms? Let's discuss. First one, fundamental quantity. what is the meaning of fundamental? We can say the fundamental or basic quantities. So these quantities cannot be represented as a combination of other quantity. That means a physical quantity which is independent, that do not depends on any other physical quantity. For example, mass, length, time, etc. So basically 7 fundamental quantities available, and that we have to discuss in this lecture. So the units associated with this quantity is known as fundamental units. The unit associated with this quantity is known as fundamental units, and these are the example of fundamental physical quantity. Now the second part, that one is derived quantity. That one is derived quantity. What do you mean by this derived quantity? So in that one, these quantities can be represented as a combination of fundamental quantities. For example, speed. What is the formula of speed? Distance traveled upon time taken. So distance upon time, that means what is the unit of speed? Meter per second. So if we call the unit of speed is meter per second, so meter is associated with length and second is associated with the time. That means these two physical quantity relate to fundamental quantity. So derived quantity we can derive with the help of fundamental one. So what are the example? Density, speed, acceleration, force, momentum, pressure, etc. These all are derived physical quantity, and its units are called the derived units. Like unit of density is kg per meter cube, unit of speed is meter per second, unit of acceleration is meter per second square, unit of force is newton or kg into meter per second square. Similarly, we can define all remaining derived physical quantities. Now next topic is systems. What are the systems is available in the nature? So different countries utilize different system. Before 1971, different countries utilize different systems. In British, this system is utilized. FPS. What is the full name of FPS? ये आपको एग्जाम में 1 मार्क्स में पूछा जा सकता है, सो ये आपको रिकॉल करना है. फुट पाउंड सेकेंड सिस्टम. सेकेंड वन CGS सिस्टम, ये मैट्रिक सिस्टम है. सेंटीमीटर ग्राम सेकेंड सिस्टम. थर्ड वन MKS, मीटर किलोग्राम सेकेंड सिस्टम. एंड द लास्ट वन SI, System International. In 1971, all the scientists of the world gathered at one place and that decided the basic 7 fundamental physical quantity. From that one, these two words merge. MKS or SI both are same. So we discuss in this chapter or in the syllabus of physics, this is very important. SI unit. SI means System International. Okay. So what is common in all these first 3? Short name. First term indicate the length, second one is mass, and third one is time. Similarly over here, first one is length, mass and time. Length, mass and time. Okay. Right now we are mainly focusing this SI system. So what are the 7 fundamental physical quantities? So these are the name of 7 fundamental physical quantity. Among them, 5 names already you are knowing in lower standard. Likewise, length, mass, time, electric current. 10th standard में आपने पढ़ा है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. देन थर्मोडाइनमिक टेम्परेचर. सो ये फर्स्ट 5 यू आर नोइंग. थर्मोडाइनमिक टेम्परेचर आपने लोअर स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ा है. सेकेंड 6th वन इज अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस. ये आप केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ने वाले हो. 9th स्टैंडर्ड में थोड़ा बहुत आ गया है रिगार्डिंग मोल. एंड ल्यूमिनस इंटेंसिटी ये कॉलेज लेवल में आता है. सो दिस 7 are the physical quantity which includes fundamental physical quantity. Okay, these are the name. You have to remember this complete table. You may ask in examination also. And what are the SI unit of this physical quantity? For length meter, mass kilogram, time second, current ampere, temperature Kelvin, amount of substance mole, and luminous intensity candela. And the symbols of this SI units are meter small m, kilogram kg, we do not write just like this k dot g dot, ये wrong interpretation है. So you have to remember whenever we are writing the kg, no dot in between the k and g or after g. Then second, only as Ampere is a scientist name, so in the memory of that scientist we have to write the unit of that unit of the electric current in capital letters of A. That means Ampere का first letter A है, so capital A. Similar way, Kelvin is again the scientist name, so the unit of temperature is Kelvin. For mole the symbol is mol, and for candela that is Cd. For luminous intensity the unit is Cd. So I hope ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. For more such kind of videos in physics and mathematics, you please subscribe this channel and share this channel to the other person. That's why you get the benefit of this lecture. Okay, and यहाँ पे मैंने मेरा WhatsApp नंबर लिखा है. I myself Mehul sir, and regarding this chapter if you have any query please contact to this number. Thank you.